Tēnā koutou katoa ko whaebraia tōku ingoa, ko Aotearoa o ngā mahita reo Māori o te kāreti o te Oneirua o Kahu. Kia ora everyone, my name is Bria Cornwall and I'm one of the Te Reo Māori teachers here under Whai Olivia at the Te Reo Māori Department of Long Bay College. This week we're going to be coming into the season of Matariki, the Māori New Year, and we are going to be looking closer into Matariki in our classes, but for the Atawai session and for assembly this week we're going to look more closely at what our school waiata means. And so I'm going to take you through line by line what each of the lines mean and the history that needs to be understood in our waiata. So let's begin with the name of the waiata. Tāmaki Herenga Waka is one of the many names that Māori use for Auckland. Tāmaki means the place belonging to Maki, who was a very prominent and important ancestor for this area and for all of the Auckland Isthmus. He is one of the main ancestors of the tribe Te Kawerau Ā-Maki. He was alive around the 1650s and he's a descendant of the Tāmaki Waka. He came here to this area with his brother Matahu, and they established, there were many iwi that came from this particular chief. So he's very important. So Tāmaki, referring to the area of Auckland, Herenga Waka refers to the many important waka which moored here in Auckland from around the 1350s and on. So Tāmaki Waka was one of those waka, and Tāmaki Waka landed here in Waiake, and apparently it stayed here for about 3 years, then moved on to Kawhia. So Tāmaki Herenga Waka, Tāmaki, the place where many waka landed or were moored. Herenga literally means to be tied up. Whiria mai rā ngā kāwai heke. Whiria is the verb we use for plaiting, and whiria ngā kāwai heke means that we're weaving together the many descendants of this area, o ngā iwi of the tribes. No mai hui hui mai rā, no mai means welcome, hui hui means to gather. So welcome and gather here. Ngā muka tangata. Ngā muka tangata is from a very well-known whakatauki, where the muka refers to the fibres or the fibres of the flax plant, meaning the people, the many people who are the little fibres and they're being woven together. So welcome all the different people to this College of Long Bay. Ki runga i te kāreti o te Oneirua o Kahu. Te Oneirua o Kahu is the Māori name for Long Bay. Kahu is the granddaughter of Maki. Ko Piripiri te maunga. Piripiri is the name of the mountain here in Long Bay. It is just before Piripiri Point. E rere te awa a Okura. The river of Okura is named after an ancestor, a female ancestor, called Te Kura. She was a descendant of the Tāmaki Waka, a descendant of the captain Hoturoa, and she married Matahu, who was the brother of Maki. Ki te moana nui moana roa ā-toi e. So the river of Okura is running out into the harbour which we call Te moana nui ā-toi, the great sea of Toi. Now Toi was a very well-known and important ancestor, a Māori explorer from Hawaii. Another name for him is Toi te Huatahi, or Toi the only child. He came from Hawaii in around the year 1150, and he explored all of the islands of the Hauraki Gulf. And his ancestors ended up living in many places, but it's well known that they also stayed on the Little Barrier Island out here before it became a sanctuary. He puna aha. Puna means literally a spring, but puna is also one of the words we use in Māori for a space of learning. He puna ako, a place of learning or spring of learning. Puna ora, it's saying that this is a living spring. He wairere kaheke, a flowing waterfall. Ki te puna waiake. So this is referring to the waterfall that's at Waiaki. There's a little waterfall coming out of the spring of Waiaki. He puna ora. So we are a spring that's alive. He whare aroha. We are a place of love. Rongo ai. Rongo is a great verb that means to listen, it means to touch, it means to taste. So in other words, feeling. So rongo ai te auahatanga o te wairua means that we're feeling this creative spirit here. We're feeling this sense of looking after people, manaki tangata. He puna ora, a living spring. Te whare o te puna Waiaki. This is the Māori name for our whare, and it means the house of the spring of Waiaki. Ka mihi rā ki ngā kā waiheke a maki nui. So we're nearly at the end here, and it's just giving a final greeting to all the descendants of Maki Nui, who was that great ancestor that arrived here with his brother in 1650. Tāmaki Herenga Waka e, again the name of Auckland, a place where many waka and many iwi moored their waka. Many iwi have gathered here and continue to live here as mana whenua, as the authorities, the different iwi authorities of this area. Ngā mihi nui, kia koutou katoa.